Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is Soleil Chanel Bronzer in Cream. It's creamy, but it's not oily, super smooth to blend. There are several ways that I like to use it. Here I'm doing a reverse contouring, which is applying first the contouring and then the foundation and the rest of the makeup. And I can use my fingers sometimes or a brush. Either or, it blends just beautiful. It's perfect for my everyday makeup. And sometimes whenever I want to go out, I do add another layer so it can give me that little pop of dimension. And it's such a unique product that you can even add powder in top of it. It doesn't leave any harsh lines. It blends beautiful with the rest of the makeup. And that's why I love it. That's why I carry in my purse because it's ready to use and I'm ready day or night. And that's my point of view.